Well, good morning. Sergio Chavez first, Frank Guadioso second, and Michael Houston Jr. third. Welcome, early birds. You are not the people who are going, I'm late. What are the top three? I just rolled out of bed. The fuck we making money on here today? Early birds already got the worm. Ah, shit. All right, so anyway, I'm going through each thing from yesterday really quick here. See if I need to keep them up or take them off. Okay, we can get rid of SBET. Oh, I adjust the volume of my headset. Okay, logo, are you just going to do that all day? That thing's not working. All right. 6 a.m. in California, yeah. That's pretty early. Well, that's pretty early. Next one, Aider. So, Sergio or anybody who's astute and wants to be astute, when the next day the current price in pre-market has pretty much been below yesterday's close and open and high. Those are all really key levels, and it has a lot to go through. It's basically like 95% likely that it's not going to go break and run again today. So when current price has been being held down below those levels, and even if it was below the low of yesterday as well, there's just too many key levels to go through. So I just take those off of my radar. Two p.m. in Cambridge. Wow, nice. Root, no. GSAT. There's a possibility that it's up and over, just because it's GSAT and it's not very many points. So we'll keep that one on watch. Yeah, I hear you with the Be Big, Kevin, but no, I took Be Big off. Second day on Be Big's not going to be big. Not really going to be trading that today. OGen, no, not Gamb. Wait, we're still watching that. It's down another smidge today. ELYM, out at the top of the breakout candle. Layla. No. Unless they need to be on high volume. RNXT. Now, see, this RNXT has a chance. It's hanging out near the top of the candle. It's above, the bottom two key levels. It's very close to the key level of the open and the high. It's very likely that RNXT could break and run again today. So we're going to put ST up here pretty front. That's just on a daily candle analysis. You can pick this stuff out. SGOC. Newegg. GSMG. Yeah, that has some potential. MMAT. No. Yesterday was its big day, and that's it, looks like. MQ. Has some potential. I'm going to put it on the side on a slot that I really don't need. Okay, there we go. Now, let's take a look at the pre-market chameleon and see what's popping this morning. Did I say the pre-market chameleon? Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, what? Okay. STG, is it trading or is that a merger? Volume on that. Just 26,000. That must be an acquisition. I'll keep it up. STG. ACIU. Yeah, that's a pretty decently good shape there, and it's very close to breaking right now. So in case I'm not looking and it breaks, here's your information. If it breaks 12.81 ACIU, 12.81, and for $1.60 of risk. All right, RHE. Okay, looking good. Saita. That one faded almost completely. There's STG. Spock, SPOK with only 200,000 volume. Kind of pegged. That could be an acquisition or a merger. Spock expands its commitment to enterprise-wide communication with enhanced capabilities and a new device. Okay. Confirm receipt of letter from Acacia Research. Okay, so it could be a buyout. All right. Spoke. I think it's pronounced spoke. All right. Now, most active. We've got ACIU and then SONN. Okay. Zita Pally with 691,000 shares traded. Pally. All right. Okay, that's definitely. Now, looking at things by market cap, starting with the big caps. What's way up? $9.3 apps. APPS. Okay, this could be good. I'm going to put KPLT. Apps was at 51 and is now almost at 57. Let's take a look at the daily chart on that. Too bad it's opening into a ton of congestion and bag holding. So apps is not going to be a nice high quality trade today, but I'll keep it up in case it runs. Okay, apps. Also GLPG. Light volume GLPG. There's what's up 9%. All right. All right, I'm down to the 1 billions. Apps. LTCH. That's pretty ugly pre-market chart. We will not be trading. That's it. Okay, I'll refresh one more time. See if anything new popped up while we were doing that. No. And nope. Okay, good. Now I'm going to take a look at what you guys are talking about. Dev. Let's look at that daily chart. Okay, Zev had a big pop yesterday. It's already above yesterday's high. Was way up there. Okay, we'll keep that. Yep, on radar. Good pick. Good pick. I know. STG up 35,000%. Funny, right? It's just a reverse split. Okay, then why is it STG? Yeah, the only thing is that if it's a reverse split, it's actually doing well. So it's that. Pally analyst price target is 7. Pally. There it is. Yep. Wow. Okay. Apps has growth potential, but who knows when that's coming? Yeah, Emma. It's just like Zoom. You know, I feel Zoom has growth potential, don't you? But who knows when that's coming? Yeah. Healthy retracement of GAMB. Have you sold some shares on GAMB? Because anytime you get worried, that's something you can do. %10 yesterday. Yeah, good. And depending on how it acts today, we could get out more or less today. But yeah, we don't need it to be pulling back, draining our gains. SLQT set up in place of some. What's the volume on that pre-market, James? What's the volume today so far on SLQT? I don't have that stat on these little mini radar screens that I've created here. All right, I'm going to start up the talk stream in just a second here. I'm going to label all these up. 191,000 volume. Okay, that's good. It'd be nice if it was like 1 million or 500,000 or 800,000, but 191,000 is better than 10,000. So, oh, Sergio got it. Okay. So anyway, yeah. Do you believe in gaps getting filled? Because SLQT has a gap up to 12.96. Yeah, that can happen, Matt, but only 10% of the time do gaps fill. All right, I'm going to label up these other stocks we have here. Good morning, Brandon. GLPG, APPS, RNXT, ACIU, HE, Apple, AMB, N, GSAT, Spoke, STG, SYTA, AFRM, Tesla, SDC down in the corner, KPLT. Hello, good morning, you guys over on TikTok. SLQT, GSMG, SONN, PALI, AMZN. I wonder if any of you notice how I probably even need more slots than this, because on some days, like yesterday and today, there's just a lot of things to watch. Thank God I'm not dyslexic. Jesus, that would be a real problem. My sister is. Yeah, that would be a problem. I got just that gene just went sleep. Just barely missed that gene. Okay, Emma. Not sure where you were going with that, but I guess I'm all for it. If you think about it, using a computer is nothing more than moving light and processing math. Yeah, well, electrons. Does anybody know how fast electrons move relative to the speed of light? I think I remember from chemistry class. I believe it's 1/10 the speed of light. Electrons move twice as fast as the speed of light. Okay, let's tell Stephen Hawking, who's dead. 1 mile per hour, 1 R. That's hilarious. So anyway, for us, yes, doing your shrooms, getting that shroom. Sergio's like, I never really thought of it like that. Ogre. What if? Now hear me out. What if DOG really spelt God? Whoa, heavy for us. Heavy. Entry for STG. We haven't really talked about that, but it would be 7.8, 7.91 would be the safest for about $1 of risk. However, from what I understand, that's just a reverse split, and I don't know. People are just excited about it, so it's moved up a little bit on the news. It's not like there's actually any good news about it going on. Possibly. That's a situation. Morning, everyone. How are we all doing today? I like those people. Morning, everybody. How are we all doing today? Are we all doing our homework? Are we all doing our work? Is everyone sitting in their seat properly and using good posture? Has everyone had their morning coffee? RDHL. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good. RDHL. Yeah, good. Keep that up as well. SLQT is where? It's not even. Oh, there it is. Okay. 927. The CEO of SLQT bought 230,000 shares at 879. Okay, that was yesterday's close, basically. So that's 2 million. 2 million bucks. So he must know something's coming up, right? Any all-day runners today? I mean, geez, we shall see. The one that's probably set up the best is actually, it's hard to say. Maybe RDHL. Let me take a look at the daily on that. Yeah, RDHL could do well today. It's already doing well. Dev shorts are getting wrecked. Yeah. Apple puts today. Yeah, no, I don't think so. Sarah. I was thinking today you can like judge a person's IQ by which tickers they ask us to look at. Corsair Gaming. Okay, Corsair's been struggling since November of last year. There's nothing going on there. Clove. Clove would be IQ 80, I think. Clove's the cutoff. FR, yeah, good for maybe a medium term swing. Floor Finders of America, FFOA. That's great. I was just thinking about Floor Finders this morning. That's funny. ACIU is breaking. All right. So yeah, that was $1.60 of risk. Actually, you could go much less than that now. About $1 of risk now to get into ACIU. Dollar of risk because your stop's going to be just below 12. Yeah, Clove is genius compared to Naked. Yeah, compared to Sundial. Wow. Yep, there's the pop on ACIU. All right, the market's going to open in 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Hey, Faraz, I sent you a note on Discord. You can take a look at that anytime today. It's not important. Thoughts on Be Big? It's day trade only right now, and it doesn't look like it's going to have a good day today. Is Zoom a buy? Well, it's been bearish since October of last year, and it continues to be bearish, so I don't think so. I'll check it out. It's not important. Wink, wink. You're turning everything into something interesting. Oh, man, those shrooms are really great. You should just have them on like auto inject, like a insulin device. Mana and Exxon Mobil. Is SLQT good for a swing? No. No. I don't even know why we have it up. For which idea? Yes. A drip shroom. We'll call it drip shroom. Drip shroom. Cup and handle on Ader. Let's see. Not really. And plus, you want cups and handles to be at the edges of uptrends, and this one's at the end of a downtrend. So not good. All right, we got 6 minutes and 40 seconds to the open. What's going to pop? ACIU is right there. Apps could break. If it does, it's $1.50 of risk. If it breaks 57, apps. Oh, I got to get a cough drop here. Oh yeah, I got some. I have some SQL. SQL. We'll see how that goes today. All right, we got 5 minutes and 40 seconds to the open. We're pretty much set up. TYME. Not much going on there right now today. Yeah, SPRT is just sort of retracing now. It's over yesterday. 2 days ago is when you wanted to be in SPRT. Well, actually 3 days ago. So the risk for RDHL, we're looking for it to break 943, and currently 9 would probably be the best stop. So like 50 cents of risk. Where do I see silver going in the future? Let's see. Silver is topped out. One day maybe it'll continue, but for now, it's just going sideways. Yes, RHE is right in the corner here. Sorry, you can't see it. There we go. ACCO, ACCO is quite just sideways. I do remember that Faraz was ridiculous. It was just this one day, and it was supposed to happen, and it didn't happen, right? I think it started to go, and then it just crapped out. I do remember that. You're welcome. Entry price on ACIU, 13.1 for $1.20 of risk. If you're interested in learning more about trading, just send me a private message on TikTok, you TikTokers. But go ahead and click the link in my profile to come over to our trading group. We'll be shutting down the TikTok in 2 minutes. So you can continue trading with us in our live trading group. Just click the link in my profile. Apps just broke. $57, $1.50 of risk. SQBG is halted. News forthcoming. Okay. Let's put that over here on Blinn. SQBG. Ah, it's halted down though, probably, huh? Jesus. All right, we've got 1 minute and 45 seconds to the open. Summer gardening is done. Oh, okay. Are you a gardener? Sounds good. Not sure I remember that, Dan. Maybe I just wasn't aware of futures at that time. You guys who are holding SPY puts, oh no, be careful. The market may run up first before it drops. Oh, okay. So we're talking about 80s. Oh, right. We got 30 seconds to the open here. RNXT is also right about to break out for $1 of risk if it breaks 16. RNXT, if it breaks 16, really like $1.20 of risk would be perfect. $1.20 of risk if it breaks 16.01. RNXT. Be ready because when the market opens in 15 seconds, it's most likely going to break it. SLQT, if you want it, is about 30 cents of risk, and it's already breaking right on the open. All right, we got a couple things breaking. Apps is running like fury. Apps. Already said $1.50 of risk if it breaks 57. Now it's all the way up to 58. Oh, it's pulling back. If you haven't gotten in yet, hang on apps. RNXT triggered and then just massively pulled back, and it's already hitting your stop. Get out of RNXT. Don't lose any money on that, any more money. Okay, apps is pushing again. Around 57. Tesla breaking to the upside. If you want Tesla today, you can get in for $7 of risk. And actually, right now, you can get in for $5 of risk because it's pulling back. The stop is 729.